So here's how to fit full menu on mobile on Wix. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Wix account. Once you are logged into your Wix account, now here you have to switch to your mobile version. To switch to your mobile version of your site, you have to simply click on this mobile icon from this menu. Once you click on it, now your site will be switched to your mobile view. After that, you have to click on this menu icon from the mobile view of the site. Once you click on it, after that from here you have to click on the settings icon. Once you click on it, now this pop-up window will appear. From here you have to customize your menu. Here you have to select the option that you want on your site when visitor scrolls the header. Once you have selected your desired action, now here you have to click on the cross icon at the top to close this window. So that's how to fit full menu on mobile on Wix.